How to copy signature from one document to other. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily copy signature from your one file to other one. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up the file where you want to copy your signature to. So I've gotten this file and here I want to copy the signature. And for the file that I'm going to copy from, it's the exact same, but it's on the PDF format. So what I'm going to do is simply go ahead and take a screenshot of this file. Now you can just go ahead and press Control Shift. You can press Shift Windows plus S to bring out your snipping tool, and you can just crop out the signature. Or if you have a PDF for the entire signature, if you have the screenshot of the entire document, then what you can do is, let's say if I just take a screenshot of this, what I can do is simply go to Word, go to Insert, and then go to Pictures. Now from here, I'm going to choose from this device. And what I'm going to do is go to Screenshots and select the screenshot that I just took. So let me just go all the way to the bottom, and here is the screenshot of the signature. So I can keep it just like this. But in case if you have the screenshot of the entire folder or the entire document, in that case, what you can do is go to Insert and then go to Pictures from this device. I'm going to do the same thing, but in this case, what I can do is insert this entire picture. Now, what you do is next right click on this, go to wrap text, and then choose in front of the text. Now you can crop it out a bit. And after this, what you can do is go to format, picture format, and then go to this crop option. Now you're going to have to drag these black lines and make sure that you crop it so that only the signature is visible to you. Crop it something like this and then hit enter. And as you can see, you have successfully cropped the document and only the signature is left. Now you have the signature on your other document. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'm going to see you on the next one.